Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a unboxing video for this hair company that's called Melanin doll. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it, but I just wanted to come and do my unboxing with you guys to let you see a couple of orders that I placed with them for some hair. It's going to be on their Burmese tight curly, which they just relaunched on January the 1st. They carried this texture before but had some issues with it, so they stopped carrying it until they got the texture perfected to the way that they wanted it, and they relaunched it again, like I said, just on January 1st. And then I also purchased some Mink body wave from them as well. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to jump right into this video, and I'm also going to be showing you guys a couple of things that I purchased from another, and both of these companies are actually black owned. The other company that I purchased from is a company called Hgc Apparel as well. So I'm going to show you guys these things, and this is how Melanin doll shipped my hair to me. It came in this nice little pink box, and I already pre-cut the box, so I can go ahead and open the box with you guys. And when you open it, you have the little cards and things in there. And then that really nice satin bag that says Melanin doll on it is what they put the hair in. And the card is just like a thank you for your purchase on the back of this card here. And I'll let you guys see that. A nice little thank you. And then this is just the return and exchange card, just in case you have any issues with your order or you don't think the texture is for you. They'll let you guys go ahead and exchange that. And then this is for their wholesale prices. In case you guys are interested, it's a 10 bundle minimum, but this is more so for someone who's like really into the wigs and such. So you can go ahead and order in bulk and get a little better pricing on that. And there's the information there on that 10 bundle minimum for the wholesale pricing. And then they also have a doll guide, and it says discounts and special offers inside, and it looks like this. And then in there, this is the way it looks when you first open it. And then it has the Mink collection. And so basically what it is their textures that they carry. And it's giving you all the information on those textures. And it's also telling you how to maintain them as well. And this is the Cambodian textures that they carry. And then they also carry, aside from their Mink collections, the raw. Yeah, so I think that's pretty cool. And then this is the refund and exchange policy. So yeah, I know you guys are probably like, I don't care about none of that. Ish, show me the hair. So let me just jump right into that. So like I said, the hair was inside this nice little satin bag that says Melanin doll on it. I'm not sure which one this one is because oh okay, well, it's the tight curly. So we're going to be doing the tight curly first. And I actually ordered 3 bundles of 22 inch in a closure. I think my closure is 18 inches. I'm not sure. I have to pull it up really quick and look. But this is the hair. This is the 3 bundles. And like I said, this is their Burmese tight curly texture. Oh, it's so soft. It don't really smell like heaven, but it don't smell like anything either. And let me just get up on that so you guys can see that texture. This is the hair. I love those ringlets down at the bottom. Those are so beautiful. And yeah, this is their 22 inch. Be flat this high. The bundles are really full. The wefts are okay. The wefts are constructed really well. They just have like the rubber bands around there. So I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just black rubber bands. And these are 3 bundles of 22-inch Burmese tight curly. And then now I'm going to show y'all this closure. Well, not closure, but frontal. So this is the frontal. Look at that. And they don't list these as pre-plucked or whatever. However, I'm going to just throw this across my head so we can see. Ooh. And that's not even with any customization yet. Uh-oh, that's my dog, you guys, if you hear him, that's Dutch. That's not it with any customization. But yeah, the frontal is really, really full, and it feels exactly like the bundles of hair. The texture is the same texture as the bundles. The curls and ringlets, everything are exactly the same as the bundles. So that's not going to be a problem with the frontal matching the bundles of hair. And his hair is really, really affordable. Let me see how much I paid for it. But I know, yeah, they had a sale going on when I first bought this hair. And I paid $105 for the pricing was $105. And this is an 18-inch 13x4 closure. Well, frontal. I'm sorry if I keep saying closure, but frontal. This is a 13x4 frontal, 18-inch. And then the bundles were $70 a piece for the 22 inches. The total for that was $267.75. And I used a coupon. And their shipping is really reasonable as well. It's only $5. So I paid altogether $272.75. So that's really good for 3 bundles and a frontal. So go check out Melanin Doll. And this is my second order from them, you guys. They had this thing going on called a deal of the day that they do sporadically. You just have to really follow and watch their Instagram page. They post these deals of the day, and they had this deal for 3 bundles, 18, 20, and 20 of their Mink body wave, and that was $100 with free shipping on that order. And I just went ahead and purchased the matching frontal to go with it, because I'm gonna make frontal wigs out of all this stuff. And they sent it again in the satin bag with the same exact card, so I'm not gonna run y'all through that again. But yeah, satin bag. Oh, okay, cool. And this time these items were put in these bags. So this is really cool because they're identifying what you ordered and what's in here or whatever. So yeah, these are 3 bundles, 18, 20, and 20. And I'm gonna just take one of each out to show you guys. And that's what that says, just in case y'all want to see it. So this is the 18-inch. This is the 18. And that's why I didn't put on my wig when I did this video, because I wanted to put the frontal on to see how it blended with the lace blended with the skin. This is the 18-inch Mink body wave, and this is really soft. Oh, and I'm not getting any shedding. And this is straight out the pack. I ain't did nothing to this. This is just me getting this from them, and I don't have any shedding. Oh, and shipping during sales, they have a, I think it is a 3 to 5 business day turnaround. I'm not sure, but it's like extended during sales or whatnot. So I ordered on the 1st, and I received my order a couple of days ago. So no big deal with that, because like I said, when you order during the sale, expect a delay. So, and then this is my frontal. It has a net on it, so we're gonna go ahead and take that out. And the frontal is a 16-inch Mink body wave frontal. Ooh, their frontals are full. I like that. This is their body wave frontal, and it's 16 inches. Real nice wave to it. And the texture feels exactly like the bundles of hair that I received. Let me just bring that up so you guys can see that. This is some really nice hair, you guys. You guys really have to go and check out Melanin Doll. Shout out to them and their black owned doing their thing. So let's throw this across the head. See how this one looks. Okay, so this one is a lot more fuller in the front, which I expect that because like I said, they do not advertise their frontals as being pre-customized, but that lace is gonna lay and blend perfectly once I go ahead and get that customized. And the frontal isn't shedding. I ran my fingers through this. It's not shedding at all. So yeah, it's a 16-inch Mink body wave. And then this is the 20-inch right here. This is the 20. And this is about how it's gonna lay on me. The 20. And I'll show you guys the 20 compared to the 18. So you guys can see that. So yeah, really nice bundles, guys. Really nice bundles. They always be having sales, so you guys have to just go, I'm sorry, and check them out. But yeah, and their Instagram is Melanin Doll, so you guys should go follow them and check them out. And the next items that I'm going to show you guys is this one shirt that I actually have on. It's a crop top, but I'm not going to show y'all the crop. However, it's a crop top and it's from the company that I mentioned earlier called Hgc Apparel. Go check them out on Instagram as well. They're a black owned company doing their thing. I know you guys probably will recognize some of their items, seeing that black by popular demand. That's Hgc Apparel, and you guys should definitely go check them out. But I'm wearing this nice little crop and it says Educated Black Queen, and then it has like the African symbol right there. I thought this was really, really cute. So yeah, shout out to them for making this top for me. Well, not for me, everybody, but you know, I likes it. And I also got these leggings from them, and these just some gray leggings. Real nice, fit real good too. And it says black by popular demand going down the leg, just like that. I'm not gonna put them on. However, I will list my Instagram and my other social media down below, and you guys can follow me on there if you want. I'm gonna be posting like outfits of the day, so you guys can probably catch some of this stuff on there or either on my Snap. And then I also ordered this other shirt, and it says knowledge is power. And if you go on their Instagram, you'll see a ton of people wearing this. And this is a medium, and I'm gonna have a lot of space in this shirt because it's a unisex shirt. So yeah, I definitely recommend, if you're gonna order one of the unisex items, to order like a size or 2 down from your normal size, because I normally wear like an extra large or a large in my shirts, and like I said, this is a medium. And it's very nice quality material too. It's thick and I like that. And it has their name right here. Hgc Apparel, and that's that medium. Get that information off of this card right here. Go check them out. So yes, at Hgc Apparel on Instagram. Go check them out. The leggings that I purchased from them were $19, and I believe this shirt, if I'm not mistaken, it was like $40-some, but I'll list all of the pricing down below. And then this crop top that I have on, This was 14 bucks because it's on sale. So they do have some nice items on sale. I do recommend that you guys go and check those out as well, because we all love to save a little bit of money when we can. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to come and really show you guys this hair and the things that I purchased, and hopefully this will inspire you guys, if you were looking at some of this stuff, to go ahead and purchase and check these companies out. If you were looking to see, you know, what their hair look like, and from a real customer or whatever, you know, we come to YouTube looking for answers for everything before we go out and make purchases. So yeah, definitely check out Melanin Doll. Again, this is their Burmese tight curly, 22 inches, and their Brazilian, well, I'm sorry, not Brazilian, but their Mink body wave. And this is the 20 inch that I'm holding up here. So yeah, go check them out, you guys. And I'll holler at y'all soon after I get done making my wigs. I'll come back and show you guys. Peace.